Is your Windows 11 update stuck, failed with an error, or simply refusing to install? Don't worry, you don't need to reset your PC just yet. In this video, I'll show you 10 proven fixes, starting with the easiest solutions and leading to the advanced methods that most YouTube videos never mention. I have mentioned which fix works best for which issues, like update stuck, failed, or won't install, so you will know exactly where to focus. Let's get started. It sounds too simple, but a surprising number of Windows Update problems happen because Windows is waiting to finish a previous update or complete a pending restart. Also, restarting fixes the stuck Windows services related to update, so this might help you. Use the Start menu to restart your PC, and hopefully it fixes your issue. If not, move on to the next fix. Feature updates can require over 20 gigabytes of free storage. If your drive is nearly full, Windows may download the update but fail during installation. Open this PC and make sure your system drive have enough free space. Also, if you're using a VPN, disconnect it temporarily. If you're on Wi-Fi with an unstable connection, switch to Ethernet if possible. A poor connection can cause downloads to freeze, while insufficient storage often causes updates to fail near the end. This trick is surprisingly effective. Go to Settings and then Windows Update. Pause updates for a few minutes, then resume them. This forces Windows Update to refresh its download session without deleting any files. If the progress bar was frozen because the update service got stuck, this often gets it moving again. Microsoft includes a built-in troubleshooter that automatically checks common problems with Windows Update services and settings. Open Settings, go to System, then Troubleshoot, click Other Troubleshooters, then run Windows Update. It isn't perfect, but it can restart broken services, repair simple configuration issues, and clear temporary problems automatically. If it reports that it fixed something, restart your PC before checking for updates again. If Windows Update keeps failing with different error codes, damaged system files may be the real problem. Open Command Prompt as administrator and run DISM/online/cleanup-image/restore health. It will repair the Windows component store, the place Windows used to install updates. Then run SFC/scan now. This scans Windows system files and replaces corrupted ones. If either tool finds corruption, restart your PC and try the update again. Now, if none of these common fixes worked, it's time for the methods that solve the majority of stubborn Windows Update problems. This is probably the most effective Windows Update fix. The SoftwareDistribution folder stores Windows Update's temporary download files and update database. If these files become corrupted, Windows may repeatedly download the same broken update or refuse to continue. But to work out the SoftwareDistribution folder, you need to stop the Windows Update service. Open Command Prompt as administrator. Then type net stop WUA user v. Hit enter. Then type net stop bits. Open the File Explorer, go to System Drive, open Windows, then SoftwareDistribution folder. Delete all the contents of this folder. If a file says it is in use, restart your PC and try again. Now go to the command prompt and type net start bits, and then net start WUA user v. The service will restart and Windows will automatically create a fresh copy and download clean update files. This is one of the least talked about fixes, yet Microsoft support engineers recommend it frequently. The catroot2 folder stores update signatures and security catalog files. If these files become corrupted, Windows may download an update successfully, but fail when verifying or installing it. Open the command prompt as administrator. Type netstop crypt-svc. Then go to File Explorer, System Drive, Windows, System32, and open catroot2 folder. Delete all the contents of this folder. Go back to the command prompt, type netstart crypt-svc. Just like SoftwareDistribution, Windows automatically rebuilds this folder after it's reset. Many users skip this step, even though it often fixes updates that fail at 90% or 100%. Not every Windows Update problem is caused by Windows itself. Sometimes, any third-party programs could interfere in the Windows Update. To fix this issue, we will clean boot with only Windows Essential Services running. Click on the Start menu, type msconfig. Open the System Configuration. Go to the Services tab. Here, check the box of Hide All Microsoft Services. This way, we will be only disabling the third-party services. Then click on Disable All. Click Apply and restart the PC. Now try to update your Windows 11. If the update installs successfully in this state, you've confirmed that a third-party program was blocking it. After the update finishes, you can enable your services again. If only one specific update keeps failing, don't rely on Windows Update. Instead, note the KB number for that update. Then visit the Microsoft Update catalog. The link is in the description. Search for the update you want to install. Download the update that matches your Windows version. Then install it manually. This bypasses many problems related to the Windows Update download process. It won't solve every issue, but it's extremely effective when only one cumulative update refuses to install. If Windows 11 24H2 or 25H2 refuses to install through Windows Update, stop forcing it. First, visit Microsoft's official Windows 11 download page and download either the Windows 11 Installation Assistant or the latest Windows 11 ISO. If you're using the ISO, simply double-click it to mount it as a virtual DVD. Then open the mounted drive and run setup.exe. When the installer starts, choose Keep Personal Files and Apps. Follow the on-screen instructions, and Windows will reinstall itself while preserving your data. The process usually takes anywhere from 30 minutes to an hour, depending on your system. After that, you will have the recent Windows 11. Also, it will fix your update issues as all the components have been reinstalled. If this guide helped you fix your Windows Update problem, consider giving the video a like. And if you enjoy practical Windows troubleshooting guides like this, don't forget to subscribe, because there are plenty more on the way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.